Today we are talking about connecting two Arduinos via I2C communication function. So this is a slave program in which in previous video we discussed about master program for in which master receives data from slave. In this video, slave sends data to master. So include wire.hex. This is a common library. It is inbuilt library. You don't have to install it. Then this is for analog read uh, value. So in this we read analog voltage which is applied on uh, potentiometer or voltage sensor which we mm, I mean which we measure. So in this program we are measuring A0 pin. So we are using analog read function to measure pin A0. So let us start our program. In uh, in void setup, we are first performing wire.begin 8. So our address is at 8. So in master we studied that we were calling uh, slave at address 8 and we were requesting for 1 byte. So here the address should be same. So it says wire.begin but at address 8. Then wire dot on request event. So this is a request event because master is requesting slave for an event. So this is a request event for slave. Then pin mode A0 input because we are measuring input at A0. Then in void loop void we don't need it, so we are just writing it. Then void is written inside void loop because we need another void loop which is an request event, so we are writing it. Then void request event, this function is called when master wants value from slave. Then int volt is equal to analog read A0. So this is a program for analog reading of uh, pin at A0. This is basically voltage sensor program in which it measures more than 5 volt voltage with help of voltage sensor module. Then this is important part in which we save byte, in which we um save a byte in byte format and give it a name. That is slave send is name for byte which we are transmitting. So we are transmitting byte slave send. So slave send is equal to voltage. So this voltage we are trying to send. Then wire write dot send. This is the uh, s- uh, function for sending 1 byte, and we are sending the slave this slave send byte. So this is program for slave for transmitting data.